My name is Doug Dedman. I'm the President and Principal of DBM Systems Limited, based in Ontario, Canada. Implementing S&OP well has been at the core of what we've been doing for the past 20 years. Over that time, we've helped global organizations implement S&OP successfully. While I started my career leading ERP implementations, I naturally transitioned to a focus on S&OP. In 2016, I returned to DBM to work with Duncan MacLeod, the founder of DBM, bringing a renewed belief that S&OP can truly help organizations transform the way they manage their business. This transformation starts with putting solid processes in place, engaging people with the right level of accountability, and using technology to support and enable. In 2018, I purchased the company, and here we are now. At DBM, our mission is to provide companies with the best path to implementing an effective and sustainable executive S&OP process. Over the years, we've worked with many different companies, from smaller single-site manufacturers all the way to large global organizations, and covering high-volume make-to-stock all the way through to complex engineer-to-order projects that include design, manufacturing, buyouts, and services. We've literally seen it all. Every implementation we've completed has provided us with a learning experience that we can bring to the next one as we continually improve our processes and approach. We incorporate these learnings into a toolkit that you can use to facilitate the implementation of S&OP at your organization. We provide resources to educate your people, to get everyone on the same page. E-learning modules, part of our S&OP Academy, cover everything from how to run a demand meeting through to how to present the data in an executive S&OP meeting. The e-learning is connected to Duncan's book, Sales and Operations Planning: How to Run an S&OP Process Everyone Understands. It's one of the best-selling books on S&OP. That way the concepts aren't just taught, they're reinforced. We provide tools to create a standard format, the 5-section sheet, so you don't have to spend time figuring out how to present your data, but you can focus on what's being presented, the story of what's happening in your business. All of our tools have been wrapped into a standard implementation approach, the S&OP Accelerator. The S&OP Accelerator is designed to get a working S&OP process in place for a pilot family within 6 months, a process that can then be expanded to the rest of your business. It starts with the prototype. This is all about establishing a vision for what the new S&OP process will look like. During this phase, we work to understand the business and determine a starting family for the process. We go through a series of executive interviews, data captures, and analysis to build a schema and a presentation using the 5-section sheet. This is then presented back to the team for validation and to provide a starting point for the new S&OP process. At this stage, the team is building a foundation and common language around the new S&OP process. Following the prototype, we move to the preparation phase. During this phase, we're working to clean up data so the S&OP story can be told for the prototype family, establishing roles and responsibilities, and the team is also completing their training. Coaching is provided for executives and for the team members, so everyone's on the same page with the new approach. The team will continue to build on the prototype and use the S&OP process for the pilot family. At the end of this phase, you are ready to move to the pilot phase. The final phase of the S&OP Accelerator is all about getting the team to run the process. As I mentioned before, we call this the pilot phase. In this phase, the team runs through 3 cycles of the S&OP process for the pilot family, establishing a new S&OP cadence, using the new presentation formats, creating accountabilities, and engaging the organization. During this phase, we also develop a rollout plan to expand the process beyond the pilot. We use the DBM assessment through the process to measure your progress. Once you score 100%, you're ready to move beyond the pilot and expand the process to the rest of the business. Following the Accelerator, we stay engaged at some level, either coaching the executives, supporting other world areas, or just providing S&OP training and tools to ensure the rest of the rollout is successful. At DBM, we've helped well over 100 organizations implement an effective S&OP process. And we can help do the same in your organization. Visit our website to learn more about our process or contact us to learn what a successful S&OP implementation can look like in your business. Thanks for watching today's video. Subscribe to our channel for more on implementing S&OP. You can learn more about how DBM can take your process to the next level by visiting our website, www.dbmsys.com. Thank you and take care.